What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to comment a GIF or image on Instagram. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Engaging with content on Instagram isn't just limited to likes and text comments. Whether you're responding to a friend's story or adding flair to a comment thread, you can also use GIFs to elevate your Instagram interactions, as they offer a dynamic and fun way to express reactions and emotions. To comment GIFs on Instagram, open up the application on your mobile device and navigate to any Instagram post. Tap on the Q-shaped comment icon to bring up the comment section of that Instagram post. Next to your input field, you will see the prompt to enter the GIF in the comment. Tap on it, and a pop-up window will appear on your screen showcasing the most popular or trending GIFs. If you don't find the GIF you want to comment under the Instagram post, you can make use of the search bar above, where you can search for the type or nature of GIF you are looking for. After you're done typing, you'll see many different types of GIFs similar to your search results appearing on the screen. Select the GIF you like, and it will automatically appear in the comment section next to your name. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.